Hey there guys, today we are going to be reviewing Pioneer IAS Academy which is located in Mumbai, and to review this academy I'm going to be visiting a website called blog.education. That is because blog.education is a very trusted website. They've been around for 11 years, and not only that, they give you consolidated reviews from Facebook, Google, Justdial and Sulekha. They give completely honest and unbiased reviews so that you don't have to go and visit all of those different websites and do so much research to find the right institute that will cater to your needs. Blog.education does that work for you. Pioneer Academy has been given a rating of 5.1 out of 10 by Our Education. This is an overall rating. Our Education has also rated this academy on different parameters like their past year results, their infrastructure, their batch size, their faculty quality, their fees, and all of that. So some of the pros of this institute are that the past year results were good, the batch size is not very large, the fees is affordable. So if you enroll in this college, you can expect to pay something around 40,000 per year. This will obviously differ on the course that you choose, IAS or IPS, and also it will differ if you opt for optional subjects. It will obviously be a little more, but approximately you might end up paying around 40,000, which is very affordable compared to other institutes, especially in Mumbai. Very expensive. You end up paying around more than a lakh. You end up paying a lakh and a half a year. So this is definitely affordable. According to Google reviews, the infrastructure of this academy is good. The cons of this institute are that they do not disclose their batch size. Sometimes their batch size is really high. It keeps varying. So one student who studied here has given their Google review, and they are saying that that's the best class MDA class in Andheri, and all the teachers are very good. They are very experienced, and the student recommends this institute to all other students who are preparing for defense. Overall, this academy is the best. So this is a very good review, and the student is saying that the doubt clearing session is the most helpful part of this academy, and also they have good interactive classes with good faculty providing relevant information for general studies as well as current affairs, with good classrooms and other facilities. Anyone can learn with great comfort here. According to another student who was given a bad review on Google, this is one of the most deceptive classes, very attractive but not worth joining. Never understand students and their parents' problems. They duped him for 10,000 rupees. That's what he's saying, the student. And at the time of joining, they had given him false promises but never kept them. One of the most unfaithful classes in Mumbai. So this review is obviously alarming, but you have mixed Google reviews. Pioneer MPS Training Academy. So according to students' feedback, we see that they're getting mixed reviews. Some special features that for students who enroll are that if you're interested in joining the institute, you can see all of these special features which I'll be mentioning to you all. So the institute incorporates analytical, rational and logical approaches in its course. It is very important for students to clear the exams with precise knowledge without any hindrance. Moreover, competitive exams like UPSC and MPSC are more into writing when it comes to the mains level. So the mains level exam is a written descriptive test, and you have the essay writing and all of that, and that's you need to be very good at all of that. You need to be very good at essay writing. You need to be very good at personality development for your interview test. But the prelims round is only like a objective round. So so for the main level, you really need to be good at writing. Students have to prepare exceptionally well in the mains exam, which is one of the valuable marks for final results. Revision classes for exams like UPSC and MPSC are specially made for the well-being of students in all the levels, so that they will be able to grasp the concepts at ease. If you don't want to memorize the concepts without understanding it, then this is the place for you to learn and nurture your ideas. Clear all the doubts with your staff instantly and start learning precisely. Sunday mini tests are also available, and the answers will be verified once through. The test will be evaluated as soon as possible. Within 1 week, your test papers will be corrected for sure. So they are promising all of these things. These are the contact details of Pioneer Academy. This is their address. They are located in Andheri East in Mumbai, Maharashtra. And this is their fee structure, around 40,000 a year. Contact number, this is their contact number. Their batch size is around 20 students, but as you can see that it keeps varying. Actually, 20 students is very, very small. An IAS recommended batch size is around 100 to 150, and the reason that is the recommended batch size is so that there are many students in a class, and so that they can discuss and interact and share their ideas with each other. But here with a class filled with only 20 students, that won't be possible. As much, you won't have that much interaction. So that's why a higher batch size is better. However, if you're someone who wants more like personalized attention from the teachers, then this is the institute for you. They provide 2 demo classes. So as we saw, Google reviews were really mixed. The feedback was very mixed. So if you want to really find out about the institute and find out whether the institute caters to your needs, then you should definitely avail the 2 demo classes so that you can understand how the teachers are actually teaching you, and about the other facilities, if you are satisfied with it or not. They have really good Google ratings and Just Add rating as well. I hope this review was helpful to you all. If it was, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Share this video with all of your friends who are IAS aspirants. Thank you so much for watching.